I have created some interactive tutorials for you because this is a big software and I haven't even covered like 20% of the features. So what I am doing is, instead of like watching a long video which gets a little boring after some time, I have created these interactive tutorials. So when you go to this tab, and then you can just like say add a ready-made section to a page. So when you click this, what it will do is it will show you this step-by-step tutorial, like it's saying select a page. So I'll just follow this. Then it is saying that click this basic tab, so I'll do this. Then it is asking me to open the headers block, so I'll do this. Then it is asking me to add a block. I'll just show you this one. The rest of the tutorials you can do on your own. So I'll just click a block to add it. Okay, now the block has been added to our page. So you can just go through these tutorials. It will teach you a lot of things about how to use this website builder.